I'm attending to the gorgeous sunroom that's not so gorgeous right now from the winter traffic we had going on here. I washed some winter items. Just these two, really. I did not wash those. Once I take out the winter things that need to be washed before packing up for the winter, and I remove the leaves, I think it'll be mostly clean. Right? Right, Rangy? Right? All right, let's get going. Yeah, I mean, this is absolutely never what it looks like. Laundry situation, all of this is winter. These are clothes from the last 2 days. I do laundry for people who don't live here. And then this is a pile of sheets that got dirty yesterday. And then there's the dog's bed I gotta wash. So it looks like a ton because it is a ton. I feel like the easiest way to keep this clean in the spring and the summer maybe is to not have that rug in here. That rug, a lot of dirt and stuff in that rug. I love that rug. I'm not getting rid of that rug, but I gotta figure out if it doesn't have a home in here right now. If I can figure out a really, really good way to get it clean, it might serve us well in the homeschool room in the basement. Weather's changing, so gonna wrap up for the day, figure out something for dinner. Feels weird to make and post videos during a time we are uniformly, staying home, hopefully. And for those that don't stay home or can't stay home, we thank you for your work. And I'm talking to the nurses, the doctors, the veterinarians, people at the grocery stores, the clerks at the grocery stores, the inventory stockers overnight. I'm talking to you guys who get up and go to work and put food on the shelves for us to clear and who take care of us. The world doesn't stop turning. Thank you to the healthcare workers and the grocery store workers. Take care of each other, please. Good morning. I stand before my extra stash of groceries. Real life of living with less. And I had to break into the emergency savings already and get some extra food for a couple of weeks, right? Given the current state of the world. Our town is essentially shut down. They closed the parks, the library, the government buildings, all non-essential businesses, and schools have been closed since last week. It's a quiet town out there, and not that I would know, I don't leave the house. Social distancing will flatten the curve. If you need more information, Google that. That is not a lot of extra for a family of 5, right? Extra coffee. And it goes back pretty well, pretty deep here on either side. So I've got soups, more extra coffee because 24/7 with the kids, and a bunch of pasta, cereals, and then my pantry upstairs is stocked. My freezer is full. My mom's freezer is full. I don't have an extra freezer. I would love one right now. But my mom has an extra freezer, so I went and borrowed a shelf out of hers and stuffed it full with extra meats, things that I can freeze. So, you know, I've got 2 weeks worth of meat at my mom's and then about 2 weeks worth of meat in my fridge. And so we're going to make it stretch and make it work. But that is, you know, in uncertain times, as a minimalist, make the decision to have what we need. And that's what it is, living with intention. I intentionally needed more groceries. And I was uncomfortable with not having them. And the grocery stores are bare in my town. There's nothing on the shelves. You can schedule grocery delivery from their master warehouse, but it doesn't come for 6 days. That was the next available window for grocery delivery. So it's real. And I know everyone is dealing with this right now. Everyone is trying to figure out how to manage with extra groceries, minimalist or not. So just sharing mine.
I hope I be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I be your realistic.
Now, the beginning of this are the winter clothes that I picked up out of the sunroom yesterday and I'm putting down into here. And then there's a bunch of towels because, you know, we stay clean and only have a certain number of towels. And then clothes and then the dog's beds. So really it's a 4-category laundry zone right now, but it's probably about 10 loads of laundry. And I did 2 yesterday, all the winter clothes. But if I skip laundry for a couple days, the kids don't have clothes. I don't have pants. I don't have pants. They're in here somewhere. You know, we're all stuck at home and it's raining. So we're going to be inside today. It's raining hard enough that we're not playing outside. Want to do cheers? Really? Okay, cool. Okay. The sock where it doesn't belong. Seriously? You guys and the Band-Aids. And then this.
I don't want.
Done by that one.
I want peanut jelly with no crust.
Peanut butter and jelly with no crust. We are in uncertain times. The president is discussing a recession. You eat the crust. The crust has all the vitamins. Did you know that? I haven't figured out a system for mail yet. I basically open it when it comes in the door, and 90% of it is junk mail. Anyway, yesterday I tossed the mail onto my computer so that I would attend to it this morning. The drop zone's not a really great place for me to do mail because if I put it in there, I will forget it's there. Your account has been considered paid in full. This is the Toyota. We will be releasing the lien. Woohoo! We look forward to the opportunity to serve you again in the future. Better not be the near future, and my Toyota better last. I don't know what this is. Probably junk. They're getting very good at disguising the junk mail. Yep. Recycling! 2/3 of my spawn are watching a show, quietly eating their breakfast. The dog is taking a nap, and my other one is playing a game. So I'm gonna take this window of opportunity. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. It's pretty weird. I'm gonna take this window of opportunity to get some work done. What are you playing?
Prodigy.
Okay. You did a good job coloring in your nature book yesterday.
Very good. If I do say so myself.
I know everybody's feeling that right now. Anybody with kids is feeling that right now. We are definitely starting, okay, I'm just gonna step on all my laundry. We are definitely starting to feel out of routine. By now, we would have gone to our favorite park 3 times in the time that we've been home these 8 days. We go there a lot. And last time we went, someone has been practicing the art of balancing stones. we would just walk along the creek and you'll find little spots where someone was practicing. I knew we spent a lot of time outside before. Not leaving the house is really starting to, I'm starting to feel it for sure. I know you all probably are starting to feel it. Some of you might feel a little bit faster because you're not used to being home. But parks are closed in our town. So for two reasons. One, I'm socially distancing, and that includes not going to playgrounds. And my town said, no more going to playgrounds, no more going to parks. Okay, back to laundry. My goal for the day. All right, let's get real. My goal for the week. Okay, my goal for the week is to finish this laundry and get me caught up to being back to one pile a day. If I do laundry, one load of laundry every day, it's on top, and this laundry room is beautiful and clear. But if you know me, I don't like laundry, and I decided to not come down here for 4 days. Just one of those things I needed a break from, you know? I'm still on winter clothes. Wait. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Okay.
Wow, nice train.
Are you telling me a story? Yeah? What else happened? No way. What? No way. Really? What else? Tell me all the things. It did stop raining. The kids are in pajamas because laundry day. That one's wearing 2 different shoes because he got himself dressed and I really don't care. Here's the rug from yesterday. I gave it some thought and I'm thinking that I can use the heavy duty carpet cleaner on that once the weather changes, because then it can dry outside. If she jumped off a bridge, this dog would jump off the bridge with her. So I spend my time between, because I don't want to leave them out back by themselves, you know? So I have my Tom girl. I got my baby girl out in the yard playing in dirt. The dog helping her. And then I got one right here doing his schoolwork. The other one is on the couch watching Umizoomi. It's like every now and then, like every 3 months, I sprout this like new glob of hair, and this came in last month, and so yeah, it's not long enough to have the weight of the curls yet, and sometimes I try to tuck it in, or I just gotta go get a bobby pin, but I'm doing laundry and not leaving the house, so this is my hair today. I put a poll up on the community page and asked if it was something that you would like. This was my interpretation of it, so let me know if you like it or what else you might like to see. Stay safe, wash your hands, and take care of each other, please.